Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a review on the Colourpop Gimme More Face Palette. And this is the highlighting palette here, and this is what it looks like. It is so stunning. It is in a white package here, and it's a nice, like, kind of heavy, magnetic type of packaging pretty much. Almost like the Anastasia ones. It has the weight of the Anastasia one, and it is really, really pretty. You do get 6 tones here, and these are actually gorgeous, guys. I've been using these on and off between using my new two Too Faced highlighters, and also these as well. And honestly, guys, these are beautiful. Right now I do have the Too Faced one on, if you're wondering, but the favorite ones to use are these kind of 3. I can take and make I can make these guys work. I like using these guys as blush toppers pretty much, but if I take a little bit of this white shade, which is, I believe, extra, but if you take this, like, more of this, like, kind of like white shade, and if you mix it in with another one, it will make it lighter versus just using just the dark one. But that's what I've been doing, but you can see that there. It is so, that's stunning. These are very nice, finely milled powders. They feel really nice. They feel expensive. Like, I wouldn't look at this and think this was, I think, $16. But to me, I wouldn't think it was $16. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And it would be nice if it had a mirror, but Colourpop seems to, like, just now be putting mirrors in their stuff. Hopefully they'll put it in some of their older things as well. But you do get 6 of these. These are huge cans of highlighter. A lot of people compared this to the ABH Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. I was not lucky enough to get my hands on that. I tried. It sold out too quickly. But this is gorgeous, and if it is like this, then hopefully it is. There are some review videos out there where you can take and compare. I definitely would, but it looked pretty comparable to that. But this is absolutely stunning. I highly recommend this for $16. I think it's beautiful. You get a beautiful glow, and I don't know, just stunning. These powders feel amazing. You can see where I kind of hit dips in a lot of these here, but I absolutely find it beautiful. I think a lot of people would love this, so I would totally recommend this. Colourpop, again, you guys hit it out of the park. They tend to do that for me. I feel like everything I keep grabbing from Colourpop seems to be amazing, so they're definitely on my, like, 2018 keep an eye out to buy some more stuff from. I am in a low buy. However, if they come out with something that really catches my eye, I'm going for Colourpop, because everything seems to be wonderful from them. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.